Hello, my name is Wojciech Kochanczyk, and I'm a junior at Western England University. I'm here to present why additive manufacturing can completely change the construction industry. More precisely, I would like to discuss the production of composite panels for building exteriors. Based on my past experiences with the existing systems, there are a number of major limitations and problems that can be addressed with this technology. The first improvement coming from additive manufacturing is the production without the use of forms and manual assembly. The layers of the panel can be interconnected despite the difference in materials without using any adhesives. Without forms, the shapes can be more elaborate and unique, opening new design opportunities. Also, the panels can be designed with internal channels, hollow or multi-material, giving them improved thermal and insulation capabilities, as well as improved cost and weight per unit. Finally, this technique will eliminate waste from the construction sites, with the openings and lengths already crafted into the panel. Overall, additive manufacturing can make composite panels more efficient and environmentally friendly. Thank you.